What's up, you guys? I know it's been a while, and I have so much stuff to tell you guys. It's been a really long time. We might as well get right into it. But beyond that, I've really been getting all my ducks in an order. Everything's been going really nice and smoothly, and I couldn't be more grateful for that. More or less, I've had my head down recently and just been trying to work like crazy. And I've been back to my insane hours, but I've also been getting insane things done and just a whole bunch of random stuff to talk about. So we might as well just jump right into it. So first off, I kind of wanted to go over some stuff for the Subaru, and I know everything's like everywhere. You know, I got parts on parts on parts on parts, and some of these parts aren't even mine, they're for customer or clients. But more so just jumping into it. I actually bought another motor for parts, literally a whole nother donor motor for parts, and I got a really good deal on it. But beyond that, I've just been recently building it, and I'm going to switch views here so you guys can see it better. Pretty much literally just been building it out. So I swapped over heads, I swapped over valve covers, swapped over complete front galley, I call them galley, but front galley. So literally everything from cam phasers to the belts to literally everything. I mean, I took off the other motor and put on that. The only difference between the two, that's 8:1 compression. The other one that I have, it's 9:1, it's covered with the blanket. But I want to put the 8:1 back in there, and I had free crank play. So this one has about 80K on it. I actually have two spare turbos for it. One has 60K rebuilt, the other has 80K paired with that one. But anyways, this is going to be a little bit of a nasty setup. I got my blast pipes off the Z. I got them sitting up there. I put the Z to a single, but I'm just trying to behave, make it more quiet, take it places, you know. But this is going to be nasty. I'm really excited for the Subaru setup. I got an NVIDIA catless downpipe, much just straight back 3-inch to 4-inch to then double 2. So I'm kind of excited. This is going to sound really I know it's going to sound like a tractor, but it's going to probably be louder than the Z. So I'm kind of excited for that. But anyways, that's enough about my stuff. I got some really cool stuff planned for today as well. One of my out-of-state clients, he's actually visiting, and a little surprise with this one today. So it'll be cool. But anyways, I've pretty much been working on this for a really long time now. This is a complete sponsor build. We pretty much have a lot of people backing it up, even distributors, shipping people, picking up the car. Beyond that, paint, clear, buffing compound, cutting compound, the whole nine, you name it, they have it. Pretty much what I've been doing. A lot of stuff behind this one. Retrofitted custom taillights by Muss. I'll link his bio, or I'll link his Instagram in the description. Really nice guys, really awesome build to be a part of, and genuinely I'm really thankful for the opportunity. But more or less, I'm really excited to actually see him today. He's bringing down some stuff, like some other parts for this car as well, considering that there's no hood and front bumper for it, but that's actually what he's bringing down. So a lot of stuff in hindsight for this car, but I'm really excited to work on it. And so pretty much the date has been kept being pushed back, which is no harm, no foul. Pretty much it's just another project for me to work on. But anyways, I've just been taking my sweet time with it, and I've really been enjoying it because it's been coming out so well. And night and day from when I first got it, but also it was really nice when I first got it too. It was like I wasn't starting from bare scratch. And yeah, beyond that, there's a little spoiler for this as well. I'll show you guys real quick. Little spoiler I've been making for it. He actually dropped this off. It was just a single mold sandwich plate, front and back, the negative. And so I pretty much just been skinning it over with the fiberglass sheets. I have some really nice rolls somewhere around. Oh, they're back there. I got some huge ass rolls of just straight sheet. And so there's carbon fiber. There's my fiberglass. It's six feet tall roll. So I think it comes out to 75 feet. But there's plenty of material, and that's pretty much what I've been building all this stuff with and out of. But beyond that, that was the bottom layer of the kit, and just been covering it with fiberglass, reinforcing it, kitty hair, I mean the works. And beyond that, also using resin, obviously with the carbon fiber and obviously with the fiberglass as well, the sheets. And then finishing product, body filler, and then I can actually begin the finishing work. So that's where I'm at now. I'm actually beginning the finishing work. I have one side literally molded out pretty nice, and then the other side's almost there to match. I got some questions for client, like where exactly he wants his blend lines and where exactly he wants his body lines. But other than that, it's been really straightforward because he's just been sending me renders, and I've just been pretty much matching this up to the render, keeping the square body lines, etc., following it through, blending, and then post, I have to make this actually a removable kit, so I have to reinforce the shit out of it. I have to build brackets for the side skirts. I have to build brackets for the hood. I have to actually attach the old hood like latch off the old one back onto the new hood. And beyond that, I have to strategically cut in some places to be able to make this removable, because obviously like you can't remove quarter blend into side skirt. I mean, obviously, but if you ever wanted to remove rear bumper, etc., obviously you need a perforation line. So beyond that, I really think it's coming together nicely. I know I got a lot to say about it. I've been rambling on, but I haven't seen you guys in so long. And genuinely, I really appreciate all the support. I never would have imagined this growing to this far and being able to do this. I'm just really thankful, you know, for the opportunity, because I'm gonna kill this. I'm actually gonna murder it. I've been doing this for too long and been repeating the same exact process for too many times now. I'm really excited to get this done. All right, now we're wheel stripping the homie's wheels for the Mazda. It's kind of sick. Bitch is tilted outside. Yeah, get the fucking yeah. I'm probably just gonna put no audio over it.
I don't care. You want to make sure there's no audio?
So wide. Literally so much dust. My God. But anyway, so long story short, pretty much he took out the Vette, and guy stopped down my out-of-state client, dropped off some extra parts for me to finish up and actually mold up for the Vette, and it's been going really, really smooth. So I'm really excited that I got these parts and I can keep going on. Oh my God. Pitch black. No harm, no foul. There's just some plaster stuck on the mold, but honestly, we're just gonna go to town on that, and all of this is gonna get primed and painted anyways, so it's gonna look really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. It really lets me keep doing what I'm doing. And just locked up shop. I'm about to get out of here. Got some really good progress done for today, and I'm really hyped that I got to hop on it with the boys. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I thought they'd have their wide body out. Kind of wanted to show you guys.